Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your sweet girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today you can see I'm fly. I did my makeup, just an easy simple look, guys. Yes, so guys, I'm not talking about my makeup today. I want to touch a little bit on how to do an easy high puff ponytail, like within 5 minutes, guys. So I'm going to show you the hair. It's a review and a test as well. So this is the hair, guys. My girlfriend got it for me, and she got it off AliExpress, and it's about $9.99, $10 for this one. It's a high puff ponytail. I wore it before, but since I'm, you know, fly and pretty today, I want to do a review on this because it's amazing. All right, I want you to see what wonders this high puff ponytail can do. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below, guys. So without further ado, this is a quick video because I'm gonna do a next video too. So what you want to do, it comes like this, and it comes with a comb, and you have a string. It can it's adjustable. All right, catch your hair up like me. You can sleek your baby hair if you have some. If you don't have none, that's okay. You can add gel, whatever you want. Everybody know how to catch up them hair, right? So I mean, not really go on that right now, but just catch up your hair anyhow you want. All right, let me frizz this out a little bit. You just want to make it poofy, fluff it up. All right, what you want to do, you want to place the comb in the front, and this tag goes to the back. So let's do this. Put it on your head, put it over your hair, place the comb in the front and the tag in the back. Sometimes they come with two clips. You clip one at the back and one at the front. I think I took one of the clip out, I don't remember. Anyhow, you just draw it as tight as possible. Make sure you can dirty wine. You can do a little wine and dip, and it's still intact without you wrapping the string. Look at it, guys. Or without you using a pin, right? Let's go crazy. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, it's still intact, right? So you want to lift the hair and wrap this string right around a few times until when you can't see it no more. Then let me see if I find my pin. You want to get a pin, a hair pin. Ooh, wait, take that off. There it is. You want to get a hair pin, and you want to hold it just like that, and you want to stick it somewhere around the side where it doesn't show. All right, guys, make sure you don't have to make it too tight. Ooh, I think it's too tight for my hair. Ooh, let me loosen it up a little bit. There. All right. Ooh, that's better. I don't like when my hair is too tight. And guys, this is it. Wow, 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 voila. Quick and easy, under 5 minutes hairdo, guys. This is really good. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and this is how you can wear it. Poof it out. This is a look for everyday wear. All right, if you're going to the mall or you're going out for dinner, you just do your hair and your makeup and you're fly. You're good to go. All right, I'm gonna show you how you can do it if you're going to a wedding or a special function. I have this hair thingy here. I don't know what you call it, hair decoration or hair jewel, whatever you want to call it. Get 2 hair slides, and you want to push one in one side, and then you want to center it to your forehead, and then you want to tuck it in. And you're going to do the same thing with the next one. Make sure it's secure, okay, guys? Don't let it fall out, all right? There. And guys, look at that. If you're going to a wedding, to a special occasion, you can slay this one as well. Look how pretty it is. for a fancy wedding, for a party, if you're going to the club, yeah. Yes, if your girlfriend and you, if you're going out with your hubby, some heads gonna be turning, guys. Yes, yes. I don't want it so far. I like it down in my big forehead a little bit. That's better. Voila! So guys, you can put some simple earrings in, or some big hoop one, or some long one. You can do whatever you want. You can slay all day, all night. All right, guys? And this is it. So guys, I hope you like it. AliExpress, they have a lot of things for cheap. You can get these on Amazon, but they're gonna be a little bit more pricey. Or if you're in Jamaica, you can get them at the Chinese store. All right? So guys, this is it. My puff, easy and nice. All right, my high ponytail, or my high puff ponytail. Oh, I need to show you the back. Ooh, sorry. Let me turn this way. And that's the back, guys. Really pretty. And guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And put God first. Bye, guys. I'm pretty. I'm fly. I'm pretty. I'm fly.